Good morning, everyone. This is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management, and welcome you to the weekend. Today is Saturday, and I'm doing the weekly wrap-up, also the best trade of the week. Once again, I got a lot to cover within 10 minutes today, and I want to not take too much time in any one place, so at least until we get to the trade. But knightcapitalmanagement.com is how you can get to my or the full URL here, knightcapitalmanagement.blogspot.com. This will get you basically, you can work your way all the way around all the links to my sites from this point. One good thing though, if you go ahead and sign and put your name and email address, you can get access to my updates, and also get access to learn more about the live trading chat room that I'm going to talk to you about as well. This is a neat video, Ed Sakota, called the Whipsaw Song. I saw that on the YouTube. It was sent to one of the students, and one of our students, and I appreciate that. And I wanted to share that with you as well. I think you'll enjoy that. The trade actually was on Thursday. I do apologize for trying to talk quick, but we need to cover a lot of ground, and we only have a little time to do it, as the saying goes. But the volume was really good. Actually, I said volume is great. And this is coming off the 8:30 a.m. report of the unemployment claims. 8:45 a.m. Was our entry, and we actually carried this on to full profit, and we also carried it to a little bit forward underneath this high of the previous day right here. Made $937.50. I want to show you another entry today on the way to enter with the limit order. I want to show you that today on the replay mode that we're going to use as well. So let me go ahead and pause and get to where I want to go next. Okay, so we're back on Knight Capital Management. If you just scroll down on the right hand side, you're going to see this Day Trading Night blog. If you click this, and this might be something that's appealing to you, we'll save this to your favorites. There's no advertising. This is just strictly where all my YouTube videos are collected. And a great way how you can reach to my YouTubes are, and also charts that I find interesting. This is more of an educational blog, and to reach it, it's daytradingnight.com or with a K, or the full URL at daytradingnight.blogspot.com. Now, if you come down on the right hand side, it says view my complete profile. The way that you can get to all of my YouTube videos is, see where it says my web page. If you go ahead and just click that, it's going to take you to where all of my YouTube videos are stored, and a short bio here of me and whatnot. But here you go. You don't actually have to have the user for it, but if you want to save this to your favorites as well, this is where all of my YouTube videos have been collected since I started doing YouTube videos. So once again, www.youtube.com/tradecraze will get you there. So let me go ahead and move to the next section I want to talk about. Okay, for those that don't know, I have combined forces. I actually partnered with RockwellTrading.com. They have the ability to do a lot of the things that I really don't want to do, like accounting and so forth. I just want to trade, and they're helping me do just exactly what I want to do. Rockwell Trading, the CEO is Marcus Highcutter. And if you want to read a little bit more about me, now RockwellTrading.com, just come down here, click About Us. Then you can read this, obviously, and read about Marcus and Mark and the rest of the team that's with Rockwell. A little bit more about me here, David Knight. Here I am with my Kris Kringle look right now. I still got, as I'm speaking right now, I still have my winter look going, and I'll probably hold on to that until I turn 42 in March. But a little bit more about me, and there's Raleigh White here as well. So you most likely, when you call Rockwell, you're going to be talking to Raleigh White, or you might be talking to Mandy Willits right here. These are the two. And also, there's an excellent team here at Rockwell to help you out. There's offering the official launch of my trading chat room is January 19th, but you can get in basically for almost zero to no cost up to that point. So get in contact with Rockwell Trading. Let me show you how you can do that. If you go back to the home page on Rockwell Trading and you click Contact Us, you're going to see their 800 number. You want to talk to either Raleigh White or Mandy Willits there, and they can get you connected and get you into my room that I'm going to show you now. Okay, so now you're looking at my room. This is the moderator version of it. So this isn't exactly what you'll see. You'd have this camera and voice. Sometimes I show my picture. I don't like to do that very often, but sometimes I do. I'll wave and say hey and what's up and how you doing, whatnot. You have the chat here. And then you're going to have a screen that you can use as well to see, and you could actually push F11 to maximize the screen so you can see it in bigger fashion. What I can do on my side, just so you know, I can share my computer screen. So I can share Okay, I had my son come in here just a second ago, so I'm not sure exactly where I left off, but this is the computer screen, the moderator side of the screen. Okay, so what you can see or not see, well anyway, you'll see all this on this, and this, and what I can do on my side is actually share my computer screen with you so that you can, if you want to, just look right over my shoulders. So what you'll see is basically the same thing that I'm showing on my chart. So you can follow along. You're going to see my cursor move on the screen and so forth. And I'm going to tell you where I'm thinking about getting to an entry and all that jazz that goes with it as well. I think it's very interesting, definitely for the just take a look at it up to January 19th, see if this is something you want to do and whatnot. It's probably the lowest cost thing it's going right now. So anyway, we'll play some music when we're not trading. We'll have some fun. We'll have great communications. We'll take polls. We'll do trivia. We'll have all kinds of fun in the room when we're not trading. Now you're looking between anywhere between 10 to 20 trades a week, Monday through Thursday, 8:20 to 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. And Tuesdays and Thursdays I have extended sessions where I actually leave the room open all day. So that's 6 trading sessions a week, and for the price, eventually it's going to be a price of $97 a month. But there's basically a free trial going on until around January 19th right now. So you can get a look, come in here, share with me, and let me know what you like and what you don't like. Really appreciate your feedback. Thank you. The $97 will actually give you access to 3 trading rooms, by the way, not just mine. So for the price of 3, you get $97 gives you the price of 3 trading chat rooms, and one of mine is one of the 3. Okay, so let's move on to the trade itself since I'm running short on time. Okay, the trade happened in a new market that I want to cover, and it's called the G6E or the Euro FX. This is the market that I'm adding to the ES and the ZB, also the YM, and I follow gold and oil at the same time too. But the G6E is a Euro FX, and it's been a really good trending. And what I want to talk about a little bit here is what we're going to call a thrust bar. So let me go ahead and show you the setup. Now we're looking at 8:30 a.m. and I'm going to go ahead and fast forward to 8:45. Okay, so here we are at 8:45. Now this is an example of a thrust bar. A thrust bar can be defined as 2 times an average bar. So here's an average bar. If we add that bar again, boom, that's about the size of a thrust bar coming out. You can see it's breaking out, and this is also called a breakout, a thrust bar. If you look at it as a Bollinger Band, the Bollinger Band's cutting through. It's just a really good entry, and in G6E right now this has been working out really well lately. So I mentioned that we're going to get in on a limit order. So you see the market opened at 36.55. To get on a limit entry, let's go ahead and put our limit entry, let's call it a couple ticks above 36.55. Let's put it in at say 36.57. And what I want you to watch is as this gets a limit order right now, and we want the market to come to us. This is not necessarily where I would put the market entry at, but let's just see what happens here. Okay, there's your first minute. Let's stop this. This is at 8:47, and we still haven't been filled. 8:45, open the bar. This is not moved up. It has not crossed across 36.57. So right now, making a limit order, sometimes it'll keep you out of a bad trade when it moves against you. So this is what I like about limits. Okay, so now we're filled, and let me pause this and show you my targets and so forth. Okay, the movement here, this is well, I paused it, it's 8:51 right now. So we got in at 8:47 actually, and 4 minutes later we've been hit at 36.87. Now it did not move down, cross below 36 after our limit order. It never really came back down at all. Just so you understand, the limit kept us the open. It moved down, it filled us right here at 57, came up here, it did not come and did not look back as far as going down the downside. 36.87 was filled, and that was 30 ticks, and we'll talk about that in a minute. That's $375 a contract, and I'll show you that in a second. And then we're going to see how it goes and moves forward up to the next target. Whoops. Alright. So we see exactly how it went from high of the previous day, actually pushed through it. I put it 15 ticks below the high. Now this is something I'm working with as well. Anywhere between 10 to 20 underneath the high or the average daily range. 37.17 was the high of the previous day, and the total in this trade. Okay, this is Dave Knight here at knightcapitalmanagement.com. This is a long thrust bar, $937.50. I want to wish you the best weekend. We'll talk to you soon. Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Take care. Bye now.